Oh, Dustin Rivals. Okay.
What's Mega or whatever?
I don't know. Okay.
Second one.
Yeah. Oops.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I'll come up for you. Next. Ooh.
58 cents. Oh, wow.
Damn, we both got 2 EXs out of our tins.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like, that one from Dustin Rivals, that one was from Dustin Rivals. That's only worth 50 cents. The amount every single EX we pulled has been worth like dollars.
You said?
Yeah. That's so funny.
What?
What the fuck?
Holy
Wait, what?
Wait.
Is that the same thing?
Holy shit. Actually? Bet. Where's the top loader at?
Wait,
Where's the fucking
there's
top-
no way. Look at the price. Oh my gosh.
Where's the top loader?
Wait, I need to text my brother. That's crazy. Okay, is it my turn?
Fuck.
Wait, let me show the card again. I got this. Look at that. Okay, now we'll continue.
Yeah, there's no post on eBay or Facebook.
Yeah. Just like day one of the packing out.
Holy
That's,
Oh, no.
we couldn't. That's impossible. We'll do the Dustin Rivals again first. I don't even care if we never pull anything ever again.
They only got plus like $300.
Yeah. Oh, that's rent money.
Oh my god. I didn't think I got shit.
You're so lucky. From that first EX you pulled on your very first pack, that was a sign. And we've gotten like cute forwards in general too.
My stomach
I
actually.
think this is Dustin Rivals. That's insane.
Yeah, 384 again.
That's crazy. Next, Corvette. I don't know how that works. Yeah. Oh, that's a cute little thing. I love that. Oh, I like that one a lot. Where you got that?
I'm shaking. Cute.
Oh, that follows there.